Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Before we start today's video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Okay, let's get started. Have you ever wondered if there is a more efficient way to maximize the impact of your video content strategy? There is, and it's called repurposing. Um, Pause for a moment and consider the case of the Daily Dose. It's a health and wellness channel. They were producing detailed, high quality videos, each ranging from 20 to 30 minutes. The content was informative, engaging, and well researched. But there was a problem. Their analytics showed that the viewers were dropping after like just 5 minutes into the videos. All that effort, all that valuable content was not reaching its full potential. Then the Daily Dose made a game changing decision. They started repurposing their long videos. They began by identifying the key points in each long video, right? And then use those to create short, crispy videos which were easy to digest and the viewers could grasp the main points in just a few minutes. The results, well, it was amazing. Their viewers' retention skyrocketed and their engagement rates increased significantly. But the benefits did not stop there. Repurposing their long videos also meant that they were able to produce more content without the extra effort. Each long video could be turned into several short ones, providing fresh content for their audiences. Well, this also boosted their online presence as well, right? But now take a moment and think about your own long videos. Imagine the potential they hold. Each video is a gold mine of content that can be repurposed. So why not start repurposing your long videos? But when I talk about repurposing the video, it's not about cutting the corners or reducing the quality of your content. It's about maximizing your reach, engaging your audience in a more effective way, and making the most of the effort you put into creating your long videos, right? Remember, in today's fast-paced digital world, shorter content often has a wider reach. It's more likely to be shared, more likely to engage viewers, right? So anyway, to sum it up, to unlock the potential of your long videos by repurposing them into short ones, you will be surprised at the results. Like, try doing that. And, repurposing is not just a trend, it's a strategy. It's a powerful tool in your video content arsenal. Anyway, I don't really want to waste your time, but just to say this in the world of video content, just remember less can often be more. Okay, with that introduction being said, I want to talk about this tool in here, this AI tool that we can use to repurpose our videos, right? This is called the Opus Clip. I'm just going to put a link in the description so you guys can easily find this. But basically what it does is all the things that I just gave you an introduction to. You can upload your video in here, right? Or if it's a YouTube video where I don't know, like if you have a link or something, you can just basically copy the link in here. And then it generates, or like maybe it's better to say that it repurposes the video, right? As an example, I found this YouTube video from Steve Jobs. This is one of his motivational speeches. And love the guy, by the way. So I'm just going to copy the URL here and put the link here, right? And it takes a few seconds and it realizes that, okay, like this is the video that I'm talking about. And once it knows it, I just go, well, it gives you some options to play with, right? Like you can say, you can choose your style in here, this one, this one, this one. I'm just going to go with the one in the middle. And if I scroll down, it says, okay, what's your preferred length? Let's say that you want to create videos for your YouTube short. So it has to be like less than a minute, I think. Or like depending on the platform that you're using, depending on your audience, you may want to choose, a different length. Let's say that I want something from 30 to 60 seconds. And then it also asks if you want to filter the topic by some keywords. It's optional. I'm not going to give it anything. So once you're happy with these settings in here, you can just go up and hit this button, get clips in one click, right? I'm just going to hit that. And now it says that it's fetching the video. It's the title of the video that we gave it. And everything is okay. And you see here that it says it's processing and analyzing 10% done. The good thing about it is that once you sign up with them, you provide them an email address or something. So this is what I really like. It says that you can safely leave this page and they will actually send you an email notification once it's done, right? So it's just going to take a few minutes, depending on the length of the video that you have. It's going to and also the speed of the internet and stuff like that. So it's going to just take time. I don't know how long exactly. So I'm just going to fast forward into this part. But before I do that, if you sign up new with them, you get, I forgot how much exactly, but some free videos, right? I think I have 1 hour and 4 minutes left now, as my free trial, right? And if you loved it, which I'm sure that you will, because I really found it very amazing. Then you can also obviously pay for that as well. So let's fast forward this part, and we'll be back once the results are ready. Now it's done, and we're back here. And as you can see, it created some videos for me. It repurposed my video, which originally, if I'm not mistaken, if I go here, it's 10 minutes and 30 seconds. And now we can look at this one, which is only 51 seconds. And we can see a brief summary of this video on the title of the video. And if you keep scrolling down, it gives you the second option. They score it as 85%. And you can see the review or the brief version of the video in here as well. And the length of the video is 52 seconds. And the third one as well. And fourth one. And the fifth one, right? And it just keeps going, right? If I go all the way down, they gave me 7. I'm not too sure if they're going to give you exactly 7 versions of your repurposed videos, or this is just the case for this one. I have no idea, honestly. But I used this one, and I really, really liked it. It's a really cool tool. I really hope that you try it and like it. And to sum it up, do not let your long videos gather dust. Give them a new life by turning them into short ones. And, well, not just short, but short and engaging pieces of content. Well, as always, thank you for watching me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and fingers crossed that you will be using this tool and liking it as much as I do. And by the way, I'm not really being sponsored by the Opus Clip or anything. I just used their tool and I just found it amazing. So I thought I'll just make a video on it, so you guys might as well use it. Thank you for watching me, and please don't forget to subscribe, and you guys have a good one. See you in the next video. Bye.